How to add custom words to Gboard personal dictionary on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's go back to your home screen and then swipe down at the top. Then tap on the settings icon. Now in settings, we then scroll down and tap on General Management. Next, tap on Gboard Settings. Then scroll down to the bottom and tap on Dictionary. Now tap on Dictionary, Personal Dictionary. In here, choose your language. Then tap on the Add button. And then we can now write in your custom word. And then shortcut. And then tap on the Accept button. And that's it. So here we can tap on the back key. So if we bring up the keyboard, I can type in FFF equal Fable. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.